On today's video, we are going to be unboxing and installing LED headlight set on our 2010 Honda CR-V. This model is the H4 and it contains a 6,000 Kelvin temperature output. Included are instructions for the installation, which are very simple. And provided in here, we are looking at the LED lights, which out of the box have a nice metal finish, nice construction. There is a logo right here representing the company's name, LED headlight. Quality control here that says it has passed. I really like the red tip on the LED tip. I think it's unique and you don't see that often. But out of the box, the construction is really strong. You got your fan over here, which reduces heat, as all LEDs do. And the actual LED bulbs, there's two sets, and that's going to include the low beams and the high beams. For this H4 bulb, the low beams and the high beams are in one bulb, so it was very hard to find an LED light that provides both highs and lows for this application on the Honda CR-V. So I'm glad we got into contact with this company and we're doing this review here. Alright, as you can see, this is the old LED lights that I have ran for over 2 years, DDM Sabre LED Pro 40 watts. As you can see, compared to the new LED light, the ballast is much smaller, much more convenient, and you can compare the LED lights. They are much bigger, so hopefully they will be much brighter. Also, where this fan was on the side of the LED light, this fan is in the back, which is going to be much better for venting out into the atmosphere. I think this one wasn't completely venting out because of how it is installed. So many pluses, and the installation is also simpler because all I have to plug in is one plug right over here, whereas on the DDMs I had to plug in two plugs here. One had to go here and then convert it. So more connections, never the better. So I like the simplicity of this. And one thing I also did notice here I want to show you is this piece actually opens up, so you can actually adjust it. Goes in and you can actually adjust it. So this portion here is vertical. You don't want to install it sideways, you want to install it vertical like this. Alright, the new lights are going in. Alright guys, I installed them. I'm really impressed. Comparing these lights to the DDM tuning lights, these are much better. Now I know on the camera you may see flickering right now, but again I assure you there's no flickering. And there's 3 modes to these lights, right? This is the daytime running light right now, and it still gives off a decent amount of light. Now I'm gonna turn the lights on. This is the regular headlight, and not sure how well the camera picks it up, but we just illuminated the hell out of the next 150 feet in front of us. The clarity of this is really nice. It's actually just like a very bright white color, not too much of a blue in it, which is honestly what I prefer. The 6,000 K Kelvin is great. And let me show you guys the high beams. The high beams actually do a great job showing the road forward. You can see the road signs way up there illuminating in the middle right there. You see that? Look at that illuminating. So very affordable, functional. The versatility is great. And honestly, before, when I had the DDM tuning, when I used to switch, I'll show you guys right now, when I used to switch from daytime running light to headlight, I barely noticed a difference. So this is going to be a great addition to the vehicle and the visibility at night, 100%. Alright guys, if you're interested in these lights, I'm gonna provide a discount code right now on anything on their website, so feel free to check them out, see what they have to offer.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put it right on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working